Got a quick tip to keep prints clean. See how this one looks like it's scratched, and after I heat it up, you see all that white scratches came off. So I would use a soldering heat gun and then go across the surface and all the white comes off. I'll show you right now with this one. Changes heat right away. Looks a little better without the white marks. You can see it's a little better. This print looks a lot better with the surface. You can see it's a little shinier, but this is PETG and this is PLA carbon fiber, and you can see the difference. A lot less shiny. This is more matte, but this was warping where this was printing, and you can see it started squishing off where the print was. And these ones are a lot better. They're not warping anymore. I should have dried the spool before I printed, and this was a real string mess, and it took probably an hour to clean the 4 of these and make sure the holes were the proper size, and I had to drill it out. The words are not the best compared to the PETG one. You can see that's super clear, but this one, well, that was a little better. Probably could have dried it. Should have dried it first. That one's okay. So it's gonna go like this, and you can put your connections on in the back. Get to put on the gas station pump, the fuel pump, and then it would mount through these holes. Put the bolt nuts on. We need to get longer ones, but yeah, that's a pretty decent item. If you guys need any help, you can reach out. TOA 3D Printing. Check out other videos we got.